In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to switch your Shopify billing payment method from a credit card to PayPal, so your subscription charges and app fees are paid securely through your PayPal account. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is your control center for store-wide preferences, and it's where Shopify keeps all your account and payment controls, so it's the right place to make this change. Inside Settings, move to the left-hand panel and select Billing. The billing page is where you manage how Shopify charges you for your plan, transactions, and any apps you've installed. If you manage multiple stores, double-check you're in the right one before proceeding. On the billing page, find and click Add Payment Method. This opens a panel where you can choose how Shopify should bill you going forward. If you've been using a credit card until now, that's normal. Shopify shows that option by default. Next, look for the Payment Method Type section. You'll see a drop-down or selector that lets you pick the kind of payment method you want to use for billing. Change the selection from credit card to PayPal. When you choose PayPal, Shopify will prompt you to connect and authorize your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in to PayPal and confirm the authorization. If you use a business PayPal account, have your login ready. Once authorized, Shopify will add PayPal as a payment method for your billing, and you can set it as your default if you prefer. A few tips as you do this. Make sure the PayPal account you're using is in good standing and supports automatic payments. Shopify uses that to process future invoices without interruptions. If you don't see the PayPal option, it may be due to regional availability or store permissions, so check your store's country settings or try again from an owner or full permission account. After adding PayPal, review your billing settings to confirm which method is set as default and remove any outdated cards you no longer want to keep on file. Finally, remember that this change affects how you pay Shopify. If you also want customers to pay you via PayPal at checkout, that is controlled in your payment settings, not billing. For today, you've successfully added PayPal as your Shopify billing payment method. Save your changes and you're all set.